The 5th of June, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
Hey, good morning again. This is Rabbi Shlomo Furst here, Yeshiva Samanavshi here, Yerushalayim, here Zoom. We're on our second shir, Mr. Brewer, learning Hilchos Yom Tov. I think let's continue now with Tav Kuf Dalet. Let's start fresh. Tav Kuf Dalet. This is the din of Tavlin Yom Tov. The din of the laws relating to spices on Yom Tov. Okay. Yeah, you'd like to continue on?
Okay, laws of spices. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's a big one. Okay, so dachin et hatvalin kedorchan. Let me go to the end. She'im yaduch otan mibod yom yafig ta'aman. Oh, what's that? Dachin.
Ducking is to literally means to pound, but what you're going to do is crush. You're going to crush spices.
Okay, crush.
In the normal fashion. So you're going to crush spices in the normal fashion on Yom Tov. Why?
Oh,
if you would crush the spices on Erev Yom Tov, Yafig Taimo, their flavor would spoil. You'd spoil their flavor.
Oh. Okay, so you would spoil their flavor. Guess that makes sense. Okay. Okay, aval melach eino nidoch b'yom tov. But salt we don't need to crush on Yom Tov. Ella im kain hita ha makteshet o sheyaduk b'ka'ara. Okay, so rather
So when it comes to salt varies, differs than other spices. You're not supposed to grind it on Yom Tov unless hata hamateches o shiduch b'kaila, unless you're going to tilt over the grinder or shiduch b'kaila, or pound it on a plate, meaning you're going to use some deviation in the normal way of doing it. You're going to use a shinui, as they say. There's a shinui in the way you usually pound or grind your salt.
Oh. Oh, okay. So you have to use a shinui, huh? Of course, I guess today we don't have to worry about that so much. Okay, let's see.
Why do you mean you don't have to worry about it so much?
Well, because our salt is already pre-ground.
Ah, that's true. Sometimes you get these big, I don't know, for some reason people think that there's such a thing, that Himalayan salt for some reason is being touted as a cure-all, and people are interested in Himalayan salt. Sometimes they get these big rocks of salt from the Himalayas. You ever seen those, Mayor?
Yes, I have, because I've seen rock salt in grinders that people put
Oh,
out on the
yeah,
table.
there you go. There you go. Sometimes you'll find rock salt, exactly.
So,
So then you're not able to grind that on Yom Tov unless you're going to use some type of deviation in the normal way you grind it.
oh, okay.
Yeah,
So I guess you have to be prepared then, not maybe not to use it, unless you can turn the grinder with your toes or something. I don't
yeah,
know.
that'll be a whole quite. We'll have to discuss maybe we have a chance. The whole question of what constitutes, what's the limit, the Gedar, and what's the criteria for a Shinui. Well, maybe we'll try and touch on that. We'll see if we have opportunity for that.
Okay, so let's see. So going on, it says Ve'ein shochakin et pilpulin velo et hardal berechaim shelahem mishum shehave keuvdim dechol. Oh, they'll go to the very end. Dach otan midocha kechol hatavlin. Okay, so what you can't grind pipulin, that's pepper.
Right.
Okay, or hardal, which I just saw on my refrigerator, mustard.
Oh, very
Uh,
good.
okay. Berechaim with uh Rechaim is a
Excuse me.
I guess Rechaim is must be something that you can grind with.
Yeah, a rechaim is like a mill, some type of a mill.
Oh, a mill. Okay. Um, Mishum dechave keuvdan dechol, because it's similar, I guess, to work done on the weekdays.
Right.
Okay. And let's see. And dach otan midocha b'chol hativalin. Okay. Okay. But let's see. But dach, I guess dach is the same as grinding.
Yeah.
The dach is to make small, I guess. So
It's
it
a
must be
little, it's,
like,
yeah, it's similar, right? It's similar. Duck is pounding,
oh,
pounding it.
pound.
Like, you have a pestle and a mortar, right? Pestle and a mortar,
Right, right.
that's duck. Duck is like when you're pounding, usually they would pound. I don't know if people use that much anymore, pestle and a mortar. We usually have machines that do a lot of this stuff for us these days. But of course, you're not going to able to use any electrical appliances anyway on your if at all.
That is correct. Okay, so you okay, should pound them uh as you said with the mortar, uh as with all, I guess, spices.
They can call it spices, right? So when it comes to peppers, you're not supposed to crush them, and you're not supposed to pound the mustard because looks like a weekday activity. Um, but
Okay, so peppers or mustard was looks like weekday.
look at the Haggah,
Okay,
the
so let's
Walden.
see. Oh, Haggah. Oh, we're still going here. Okay. Umihu no
However,
hagid. Lishanot kitzat b'dichat tvalin v'chein ra'oi lehorot. Okay.
Yodohin Lashonos Katsas Bedichas Pavim. They're paying royals. But you allow people to do it by using a deviation, a shinui. That's the proper way of asking this question. But you take a look. See each step in we delineated in the Mishnah Berura.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's good. To go back now to the Mishnah Berura Sifkat and Howard.
Okay, let's see, Olive. So that is okay, Dachin et Hatavlin. Okay, so that's uh the grinding of spices, I guess. Pounding of spices. Okay. Rotzelomar af de tichina lichule alma asor biyom tov. Okay, so in general, the china is grinding, isn't it? Is forbidden on Yom Tov. Okay. Ukedi le'el siman tav tzadi hey. Sifbet. Okay, so we'll down below in tav tzadi hey, we'll explain it. Ulikama poskim yesh b'zeh isur Torah af shekavanato litzorech ochel nefesh b'oto yom. Oh, okay. So what there are several poskim that with with this is forbidden of the Torah, but their intention is to use it for food on the same day. So he's saying that he can't if you're going to use it, excuse me, on the same day of Yontiv, that you can grind this. Okay. Did we lose the rabbi? Oh
Yeah.
no.
Nope, I'm here.
Oh, okay. So as long as you use it on the same day, you can
That's the
for
whole point.
for, for
Whole point is
sustenance you can do.
you're permitted to do types of malacha, types of work on Yom Tov if you need it for that day, and also if it wasn't possible to do it the day before.
Uh-huh. Well, you wouldn't want the spices to lose their flavor.
That's the whole point, right?
Right.
Right. So that's why when it comes to salt, salt doesn't usually lose its flavor so much.
Right, exactly.
So salt you should really do beforehand. Okay.
Okay, so Mikol Makom Dichat Tvalin Mutar V'chol Shechein Shum Uvatzel V'Shachalayim V'Kodome. Okay, so it gives these are permitted to grind, and they are shum is garlic, vatzel is onion. Let's see, shachalayim. Not sure what that is. Shachalayim.
That's the could be, maybe I'm not sure if it's leeks, some type of a um, pungent type of a
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, that would make sense then if you can pound that or grind it on for the day. Okay. Okay. So number two, B'darchan in the uh, usual way. B'madoch uve medocha shechodshin bo bechol b'li shum shinoi. Okay.
so here,
And
Rama, you want to pound it b'maduch in a ubumaducha. You want to pound it in a mortar and a pestle, and also sheesh surah hopeful nefesh. You have a need for it and a hopeful nefesh, and if you do it on the whole, we shum shinui. Right? You don't need to do a shinui.
right,
Yeah.
only the shinoi. Okay, good. Let's see. Sha'im yaduch. Okay, so this is the pounding, I guess. Or tzelomor, that is to say, let's see. Afilu yada me etmol shetzarich lo l'machar gam kain lo amrinan dehavele l'hachin me etmol she'im yaduch. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so that is to say, even if he knows from yesterday he needs it for tomorrow, gam kain lo arminan, we don't say that he needs it to prepare it from yesterday.
Right?
Uh,
Even if you knew that you wanted it for today, right? Then
mhm.
you could have done it yesterday. Gankin law meaning I will lay haki. Don't. It's for you to prepare it from yesterday. Why? Because it's going to lose its flavor. In the end, it's going to lose its flavor. So you're not obligated to do something before Yom Tov that if you would do it on Yom Tov, it would have tasted better.
Uh-huh. Well, I guess that's Simchat Yontif, I guess, or Oneg Yontif. Okay, Dalit Yafig Ta'aman, that's where it loses the flavor, its flavor. Pilpulin the hardal, Bechol Tvalin, Haim Begam Kain, Mefigin Ta'aman, Keshe Shohin Harbe Ketushin. Okay, so we learned that peppers and I guess mustard uh, uh, are spices. Okay, and the gum came mifigim today, and they lose their flavor.
Right?
Okay, kishohin harbe. I guess a lot. Kitushin.
Right. That these things, by the time it's going to lose its flavor, and you have with the case with the pepper and the mustard also are included in these types of spices that they
Ah,
will lose their flavor when you're going to crush a lot of it. Okay, but what
okay,
about salt?
okay.
What about
Well,
salt?
okay. Kigon melech asa shetzarik tisha. Oh, this is what we were talking about. It looks like. So
Yeah,
if it's like wide chunks of salt or whatever that need to be pound it up.
Right. And
Okay.
you can really, you've got your kilo brick of Himalayan salt over there you chip away.
Mhm.
So that
Okay.
you can do that on Yom Tov.
Shenit ba'er it was explained above, I guess. Siman Shin Kaf Aleph Sif Hey. The Isur Katisha b'melach Eino Ella b'melech Yam. Oh, so hold it. So Neat bashel, they can cook with it and make uh, that salt from the sea. It looks like
So yeah, you have
maybe
uh,
that salt is not well. That salt isn't chunky if it's from seawater. I would guess it's
right. You say, well, it says here, you're telling you take a look over there, and that's in Shin Chaf Aleph, Sif Ches, that's in Hilchos Shabbos, that it is a Techishas Melach, the Isser of grinding of crushing salt is only the Melach Yam, only in sea salt. Shigasa mitchilosa, that it's very large from its very inception.
oh
Masha'ain
really
came, right? Masha'ain
okay
came, Melech Shikorin, Shalinishus,
Shalish.
Shalinishus, and that's a duck. So it's called, I guess it's fine salt. It's made fine salt, very beginning.
Okay. V'achar kach, and afterwards nit bashel, we can cook with it. And osin mimenu petitin gedolim.
And they cook this salt, they cook, and then they make them into big pieces. They make it into big pieces.
Oh, really? Wow. Einbo isur kitisha min hadin. And so it's not forbidden, this pounding of from this law. Virak mipnei marit ayin yesh shemichamirin bazeh.
Right. There's only so therefore there's no real um, prohibition of the grinding of the salt that they cook and then they make it into big chunks. It's
Mhm.
only because of Morsite, and therefore, because of this reason, there are machmirim not to do this grinding of this salt that's been cooked previously.
Oh, okay.
Uh, okay, well, very good. All right, that'll bring us to our
It's like
Sif
Vav.
Kat Vav. Yeah, make a note. We'll pick up with that tomorrow, Mitzvah Shem.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Lou. Thank you, Mayor. Everyone have a good afternoon. Hope to see you
Okay,
all tomorrow, Mitzvah Shem.
very good.
Be well.
Baruch to you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Have a good day.